Value analysis and engineering (VA) is a systematic approach used to optimize products, processes, or services by maximizing their value while minimizing costs. As an expert, I can guide you through the key concepts and methodologies involved in this powerful problem-solving technique. At its core, value analysis is about understanding the needs and requirements of stakeholders, identifying functions and features that fulfill those needs, and then finding ways to achieve those functions at the lowest possible cost without compromising on quality or performance. Function analysis. The first step in VA is to conduct a thorough function analysis. This involves breaking down the product or process into its fundamental functions, focusing on what the item is supposed to do rather than its physical attributes. The goal is to comprehend the core purpose of the item and its essential functions. Value identification. Once the functions are identified, the next step is to evaluate the value of each function. The question to ask here is, what is the importance of this function to the end users or stakeholders? Functions that are critical to fulfilling customer needs receive high priority. Value assessment. After assigning value to functions, we analyze the cost associated with each function. This involves examining the resources, materials, labor, and other expenses involved in executing the function. Creative idea generation. Now comes the brainstorming phase, where cross-functional teams ideate on alternative ways to achieve the identified functions. The focus is on generating innovative ideas to improve performance or reduce costs. Feasibility analysis. Once the ideas are generated, they are subjected to a feasibility analysis. The team assesses the practicality and viability of each idea considering factors like technological constraints, safety, and regulatory requirements. Cost-benefit analysis. In this step, cost-benefit analysis is performed on the most promising ideas to evaluate their potential impact on cost reduction or value enhancement. This analysis helps in selecting the best options for implementation. Implementation and testing. The selected ideas are now implemented on a pilot scale or a trial basis. The team closely monitors the results and gathers feedback to validate the effectiveness of the proposed changes. Continuous improvement. VA is an ongoing process, and the cycle of analysis, ideation, and implementation continues. Regular reviews and updates are essential to ensure continuous improvement and maintain the value-added approach. Overall, value analysis and engineering is a powerful tool that not only improves the cost-effectiveness of products and processes but also enhances customer satisfaction by focusing on the essential functions that create value for end users. By employing this method, organizations can stay competitive, adapt to changing market demands, and drive innovation in their respective industries.